Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing a few tips for flying with a toddler. Our son is 1 year old, and at the time of travel, he was exactly 14 months old. And we decided to take a trip from Atlanta to Las Vegas to visit some family members. And we just learned a lot of info along the way. So I decided it would be a really good idea to share a couple of tips and info that would help you on your next family trip. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to share is information about booking your flight and airport stuff. And the second set of information I'm going to share is things about what to pack in your diaper bag, food, and entertainment for your toddler. Make sure to bring your child's birth certificate. It's usually free for toddlers under 2 to travel for free, but I know that we forgot our birth certificate. We were traveling with Southwest Airlines the first time, and we forgot our birth certificate, and she wasn't gonna let us get our boarding passes. And I remember that I took a picture of his birth certificate and I had it on my phone, and she accepted that. So I'm not sure if everybody will accept that, but make sure you have a copy of your birth certificate, or at least take a picture of it and have it on your phone, and hopefully they'll accept that. But when we were coming back, we flew back with American Airlines, and they didn't even ask for the birth certificate. So it really just depends on the airline that you're traveling with. Okay, as far as booking your flight, I would recommend not getting a connecting flight. You definitely want to get a straight shot to your destination, especially if it's a long haul flight like we had. I wouldn't recommend having to get off the plane, wait around, and get back on another plane with a toddler. It's just a lot of hassle, and it makes everybody tired and cranky. So I would just keep it moving and get that straight shot if you can afford it. I know it's usually cheaper to get connecting flights sometimes, but if you can help it, get a straight shot to your destination. In the Atlanta airport, there was a separate section in security for families with babies, so we were able to get through the security check a little faster because we had the baby with us. So they had a separate section for, I think it was handicap and people with babies. So we got to skip the extra long line that was in the front. If you're going to pick your seat on the plane, I would go with a window seat because there's just a little bit of extra privacy on one side of you. Plus, your toddler can look out the window and point at the planes, or just look at something else besides just you and your husband or whoever's traveling with you. It's just a little bit further for them, plus you have a little extra privacy on the side. So when you're at your gate and it's time to board the flight, usually each airline has a family boarding. So after first class, I think it is, I know it's Southwest, after first class, families can board. People who have babies and little kids, they can board first. So that's a really nice perk. So for our car ride to and from the airport, we used a Graco car seat. And this is the car seat here. It's not too big and bulky. It did everything we needed it to do. And we were actually able to check this car seat with our luggage for free. Usually I think most airlines allow car seats free, and also strollers for free. And since we knew that we were checking it, we decided to get a car seat cover. It's this big red bag here, has handles and a little area for your information here. And this is just to protect your car seat from any wear and tear, because it's gonna be tossed around like regular luggage. So we just decided to get this bag so that we can protect the car seat a little better. Okay, so we did purchase a lightweight stroller. It's actually an umbrella stroller, but we didn't get the cheapest umbrella stroller because we wanted to get something that was quality but also comfortable and lightweight. So we got this stroller here. I think this is called Kolcraft or something like that. But anyway, this is the stroller we have. I don't know if I can fit it all in the camera. But yeah, it has this lock here for locking it. And let me see if I can get this thing open so I can show you guys a couple details. Okay, so it has this, if it's summertime, it has this mesh here so it can keep the little one cool. It also has this little, it kind of converts into this little pillow headrest thing. But when it's winter time, it actually unsnaps. Let's see here. And it'll fold down here to protect them from the cold. So, and it also, of course, has this little hood. And it was just really comfortable for our son while we were traveling. And it was very, very convenient. So, I'm really glad that this is one of our purchases here. So, we did check our stroller at the gate right before boarding. And we have this airport travel bag here for umbrella strollers. And this just also protects the stroller from any wear and tear while they're tossing around on the airplane. Okay, so now for the second half as far as what I packed, food and entertainment. So this is the diaper bag that we used here. We went for the backpack diaper bag, very, very convenient. This brand is Catty Baby. I think it's Catty Baby. And this is a very, very nice diaper bag. It doesn't look too babyish. It just kind of looks like a backpack. Of course, it has several different sections here. It has some on the side here for drinks and bottles, and I think this is actually for your wipes here. It has this silky blue lining in the inside. So yeah, we really love this backpack here. Okay, so as far as what I packed in the bag, try to pack as light as possible because you're already going to have other things to haul along with you, like your toddler, maybe your purse or your bag that you're carrying along with you. You're going to have a stroller and maybe some other things. So you want to pack as light as you can, but actually still have all of the necessary things that you need. Of course, you want to take things like your diapers and your wipes and your normal diaper bag necessities. But I also took him a little light jacket like this because sometimes it gets kind of cool on the plane or in the airport and you just want to have some layers available. And there was a changing pad that came inside of my my diaper bag, but I decided to leave that at home and bring some disposable changing pads here. And these are by Munchkins, and they have baking soda in it to protect the odor and things like that. And these are leak proof. And I decided to go with some disposable ones because you know, airport bathrooms are kind of disgusting, and the ones inside of the plane. So I kind of wanted something that once I'm done with it, I could just like fold up. I can put his little pee-pee diaper in it, fold it up and just toss it. If he had a poopy diaper, you know, something that's a little more smelly, I got these little disposable bags here. You can put them in here, tie it up, toss it out, and just keep moving. Also, dry. As far as what to wear, I would recommend 2 pieces, like a separate top and a bottom, not like a onesie and a bottom, because usually when you're traveling, you're trying to change your toddler's diaper really quickly, and you don't want to have to deal with those snaps at the bottom of a onesie. So I would just recommend 2 pieces so you can just slip the pants down, change the diaper, and you can just get out of there. So as far as food, you want to take a lot of snacks. And because we were on a long flight, we decided to also bring like a sandwich and some fruit and things like that. So we have for him this little travel lunch box. It's called a Bentgo kids box here. And it has these little snaps at the bottom. And it has these different sections here. And we just had some cut up sandwich here, some fruit, a couple of veggies. You can put some dip here if you want to. You can also put a lot of other liquids in here because It has these little sealable sections here, so once you close it, nothing leaks out. It's leak proof. And this was really, really cool and convenient for us. And this can actually grow with him. He can have this when he's like 3 and 7 years old to take to school with him, or if he's going out somewhere. So I would recommend a Bentgo box. We also had a ton of other snacks. He had some of these little puffs here, these blueberry puffs. These ones are by Gerber, but of course, you know, a lot of other brands makes these little puffs here. He loves these organic creamies by Happy Baby. These particular ones, they have strawberry, raspberry, carrot, and coconut milk in them. So these are really, really yummy. And you definitely want to have some of these little squeeze packs here. These are very super convenient, and he loves these. So we had about 4 of these, and he also had a couple of these Happy Baby teethers. This one is blueberry and purple carrot. I think we had about 2 or 3 packs of these with us. And we had this little container here. This is like a snack container. He can like put his little hands in and grab in there and get his snacks, and we put his little puffs in there. And this is spill proof for the most part. This is spill proof, and it's a convenient way for him to just snack on his own and get his own little food. And of course, you gotta have something to drink out of. So this is, he loves the straws right now. So this is spill proof and very convenient to carry around with you. We put some juice in here, but we also had some milk. I don't have any on me right now, but I think it's called Organic Valley whole milk. But it is a shelf life whole milk, so it doesn't have to be refrigerated. They're super convenient, and you can also take those through security, but I think you have to go through like an extra pat down or something. So milk and juice, very convenient. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that these packs are 3.5 ounces. So baby food and food for like little bitty babies and things like that, I think you can take those through security. I know I did. I just had them inside of his baby bag, and we had no problems at all. They just scanned his baby bag, and we just went on. Okay, as far as entertainment, he loves books. So we took 2 of his favorite hardcover books here. He likes to open them up and read them and play with them. We also took one of his favorite little bears. It has some little teething rings and things at the bottom, things that he can chew on and put his mouth on and just play with and hug on. And we also had, he has a little tablet. This is his Kindle. And it has a little protective cover here because, you know, toddlers can destroy things like this. So we had his Kindle here, and it had some of his favorite little TV shows on it. He watches Little Baby Bum. That's a little show that has nursery rhymes. It goes over colors and numbers and letters and just educational things. So he had Little Baby Bum, and he had like Word Party. They do a lot of spelling and reading and things like that. So he had his tablet, and he also had a little Toddler headphones that he could listen to, and we mostly use these while we were on the plane during our flight. Guys, so that's about it as far as everything that I took on the flight with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very useful for you, and if you know anyone with a toddler traveling on the flight soon, please share this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.